Law of attraction is one of the spiritual laws that helps us manifesting our desires. Simply put, we attract what we focus on. Spiritual guru Osho explains a story where someone asked Buddha why he doesn't teach people to pray. The answer crystallizes what Buddha would have thought about the positive thinking movement and the law of attraction. Once Gautam Buddha was asked, "Why don't you teach your people to pray?" It was an obvious question. A religion without prayer is simply inconceivable to many people. And the answer Buddha gave is as fresh today as it was 25 centuries before. As new and as revolutionary. He said, "I don't teach my people to pray because their prayers will harm them. Right now they are not conscious enough to ask for anything, and whatsoever they ask will be wrong. First, let them become conscious enough. I teach them how to become more conscious, and then it is up to them. When they are fully conscious, if they want to pray, they are free. They are not my slaves. But I can say one thing. That anybody who is fully conscious has nothing to ask for. He has got everything that one can ever ask for." Now, Buddha said it simply, probably too simple for us to take notice. What we think, we become. Most people don't get what he meant by it. Well, to remind you, we live a reality of our own thoughts. You know, your perceptions, views, judgments, colors to the events around you. What you think is what you see. Example, you and I both look through the window. You see a beautiful, peaceful day outside, I see a gloomy and depressing day. Our realities don't match. What it also entails, the famous saying above, is that our thoughts have enormous power. And that power comes to evidence in the law of karma. Your intention behind your thought will fire back at you. You think ill of someone else will think ill of you. Thoughts always precede actions. Another way that it fires back is, you get angry at someone. Your mind gets stuck in anger, no one gets back at you. And your reality will end up very angry. Imagine the day outside observed with an angry mind. It's not a very bright picture, is it? Now, a little further, what we focus on, grows. The grass grows where we water it. It's pure physics. Einstein famously said the below, and he was a scientist, probably the most genius of all. He also knew how limited we are and how unready we are in accepting the law of energy, the law of attraction. We think joy, we vibrate joy with our thoughts that translate into feelings and into our physical energy. The universe, made of the same physical energy, responds to that energy. That's law of attraction. I personally practice both Buddhism and law of attraction. Both work. But law of attraction doesn't work when we have a negative mind. Actually, it works, but not in our favor. I think negatively, I feel negative, I vibrate negative. I get more of the negative. I think positively, I feel positive, I vibrate positive, I get more of the positive. This is the blueprint of the law of attraction. Thinking positive thoughts is the blueprint of Buddhism. It's easier said than done, that's true, but it is all down to our habits of thinking negatively and not realizing what an impact it has on our own sense of feeling and being. Many want to do the law of attraction greedily, but they won't get very far if they sit on negativity. I repeat this endlessly, and it's sad to watch how many people aren't willing to accept the fact that there is the inner work to be done first.